Morning, guys. So let's see how much we weigh. Alright, well, same as yesterday, nothing changed. So yesterday I did intermittent fasting, as I said, until like 6 p.m. or so. And today's a push day, so it's gonna be fun. I like push days. If nothing changes by like Wednesday or Thursday, maybe Wednesday, I might do some adjustments, but I'm pretty sure like it's gonna change. It's just some weird fluctuation situation. Yesterday I didn't go out, like as I said, if I was planning to do that, I would tell you. I did not. So I just did my 1 hour walk basically outside, and that was it. That was the whole cardio. All right, so I'm gonna have my breakfast and I will see you guys at the gym. All right, so I'm at the gym now. It is 9:34. I'm a little bit later than I was hoping, but there's like no one at the gym. I'm not sure why. What's going on? Like, are people on holiday? I don't know. Like the traffic also, there was like literally no traffic. So it's a push day. We are gonna do the same stuff that we did last week with a slight change. So you're gonna see how it goes, all right? So we are moving on to overhead triceps extensions now. I want to V-bar tricep push downs, 3 sets of 12. Now we are done with triceps. We are moving on to thumbs down lateral raises. This is also one of my favorite exercises because it really helped develop my shoulders a lot. So we are going to be doing that. But now the twist of this week, well today, is that we are going to be doing supersets. So we are going to be doing thumbs down lateral raises plus regular lateral raises, okay? And we are going to be doing it superset. So thumbs down lateral raises will be 20 reps, and after that your regular lat raises will be pick a weight. It might be something like lighter than your thumbs down raises, but go for like 10 reps or so, okay? 10 to 12, like somewhere around that range. So pick a weight that you can do that. So 20s were too heavy, so I'm switching to 15s for my lateral raises, okay? We are done with lat raises. Now we are moving on to dips. So that was it for our push day. I'll see you guys back at home at recap, okay? It was a pretty good push day, so I will talk to you a little bit more about it during recap, right? So take care, guys. Hey guys, so it is recap time. As you know, today earlier in the morning, I weighed 84.5 kilos. I'm not concerned about it. I mean, like, everything has been on point so far, so it's just a fluctuation thing. I'm calculating my calories, everything I'm eating basically. So it is not a weight gain, actual weight gain. That's why like I'm always quite like okay with like this kind of stuff. So we are gonna see. I'm expecting to lose the weight tomorrow or like the day after the latest. So we are gonna see how that goes, okay? Because there are so many variables when it comes to like these weight fluctuations that I don't want to like make assumptions, like random assumptions. There are like just way too many stuff. So if this stuff happens to you, like you're seeing basically how it goes, and as long as you've been dialed in like 100%, like there's nothing you need to worry about, okay? Just stick to what you're doing, and then eventually it's gonna come to a point where you're gonna see the changes that you've been expecting. So aside from that, today I actually did a little bit of more cardio than I usually would. What do I mean by that is that I met some friends outside, so I rode bicycle there. So I did end up doing like 45 minutes of like cycling outdoors. So I'm not gonna be like, most likely not,
gonna be completing the steps that I do daily, but I did the cycling stuff, so I probably burned like more calories than I would do otherwise, okay? Not like by crazy amounts, but like just to give you a little bit of insight of how my day was different from, you know, the rest of the days. And tomorrow is going to be a leg day, so hopefully this cycling that I did will not affect anything at the gym in terms of my, you know, my legs being like tired. So, but we will only find out about that tomorrow. And yesterday I was doing intermittent fasting. So as you know, I've broke fast about 6 p.m. at night, like when I made the video here. I think I told you the time, I don't remember exactly what time it was. So, but you can just watch that video. So after I recorded that section, I broke fast, like I ate something. So, and I wasn't able to eat the whole 2000 plus calories that I was supposed to, okay? So I ended up like somewhere close to like 2000 calories, I think, okay? So, you know, normally I eat 2600 calories on Sundays. It's because it's an off day. I try to reduce my calories by at least like 300-400, but like that's pretty much it. But yesterday I wasn't able to get to like 2200 or so. I was like somewhere around like 2000, okay? I did my best though. So hopefully by now you are seeing changes after you're doing your adjustments and everything. And also in front of the mirror, because when you start this kind of diet, on the first week, after like few days, you're not gonna see any changes on the mirror. But if you remember yesterday, I also told you that I like what I see in front of the mirror. It's because like usually the physical changes that you can actually visibly see some difference happen like after like 10 days or so in a diet, according to my own experience, okay? Like it will be very visible that there is some difference compared to like, you know, what you looked like on day one, okay? So I'm gonna make a video about it because yesterday I completely forgot. So I'm gonna make a video just to show you like day 1 versus day 14, okay? The physique comparison video. So you can go and check that. Aside from that, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on leg day, my favorite. So hopefully, if you haven't started doing this, you are gonna be starting because it's already been New Year. We are in 2022, so there is no more reason for you to postpone this, okay? Just start and keep following me daily. Watch the video and then go and do everything that I'm doing basically, and then get the results, all right? I'm not, as I said, I'm not telling you you're gonna get the exact same results, but I'm telling you if you're following everything that I'm saying properly, you are gonna get results, all right? So, thanks a lot for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on leg day.